Maybe dahil sa resume ko, hindi tayo aabot sa ganito.
Parehas pala.
Nobody knows just why we're here.
I hope this wedding gift will make you happy. No more sana all. I love you. From your gorgeous, very soon to be wife. Salamat. After 3 years na pagpaparinig, natupad din.
And if the universe conspires to melt our lives to make us fuel and fire,
Whatever happened, ako pa rin yung bunso nyo. And hindi ko kayo pababayaan.
close your eyes, dry your tears.
Galayan niyo ni Mama. I promise na mahalin at alagaan kayo ni Kyle at ng mga dogs natin. Yung sa atin, mamaya na lang after reception.
To my wife. Alam ko magugustuhan mo to para hindi ka na mahirapan ng charger, fully paid na yan. Husband!
Remember how we left until we cried at the most stupid things, like we were so high, but love was all that we were.
Mahal kita noon, mahal kita ngayon, at mahal kita hanggang dulo. I love you.
And though the world would never understand this unlikely.
Francisco Dian at Christy, sana'y alalahan niyo lagi. Kayo ang pinagsama ng Diyos sa araw po na ito. Panindigan po ninyo hanggang wakas ng panahon. Kayo ang magsasama sa hirap at ginhawa.
Light disappears, and when this world sits and sees, you'll be safe here when nobody hears you scream. I'll scream with you. You'll be
I
safe.
promise that I will be your best friend at best husband. I will continue to love you unconditionally and forever be in love with you. Pangako, araw-araw, pipiliin ka. I love you.
Save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclean. You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Wouldn't it hurt when the light disappears, and when this world sits and sees, you'll be safe here when nobody hears you scream. I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here in my arms through the long cold night. Sleep tight. You'll be safe here. You'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe here. You'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe.